अच्छा, जब आपने निजी जीवन में जेसी कराल मर्डर केस की वर्डिक्ट के बारे में पढ़ा कि किसी को सजा नहीं हुई, सब निर्दोष हैं, तब आपकी रिएक्शंस क्या रहे?
रिएक्शन मेरे ख्याल से वही थी जो पूरे मतलब हिंदुस्तान की थी कि मतलब जस्टिस नहीं मतलब हुआ है, और जिस तरह से उनकी बहन मतलब लड़ी इतने साल, आई थिंक इट्स कमेंडेबल। दिल्ली में अभी जब हमारी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई, आई मेट सबरीना लाल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ एब्सोल्युटली अ वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग. I got really inspired meeting her, and just the way she was, the things that she spoke. I think um, like it's hats off for a person like her to have actually given the most important years of her life behind getting her sisters justice, and getting the people, um, like whatever she did. I think it's commendable, and it's great. तो उस समय जब ये चीज़ हुई थी, मेरी सिंपैथी सबरीना के साथ तभी भी थी, क्योंकि just to see somebody fight all alone, and then the media coming into the picture and kind of supporting it, I think that was really, really something that for the first time that media was seen in a different light altogether. And everyone realized that if the media really uses its power correctly, it can actually make such a huge difference. और मेरा इस फिल्म में ये किरदार करना, दिस वॉज वन ऑफ द रीजन्स वाई आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू डू इट, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा देखा जाता है कि फिल्मों में मीडिया को कुछ अलग तरीके से दिखाते हैं, बट इन दिस फिल्म पर्टिकुलरली आई थिंक द वे द मीडिया इज पोर्ट्रेड, और द वे इट शोन दैट मीडिया का असर कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग था इस केस के ऊपर, और किस तरह से ये केस फॉलो अप हुआ. सो इट वॉज मतलब द मीडिया सडनली बिकेम more powerful than I think anything in the country. So I think when media actually gets together in the rightful way, I think it can do wonders, and it can actually knock at the doors of the court and get justice for the person who's not getting the justice.
और मेरा दूसरा सवाल ये है कि does this film make the mockery of our judiciary system?
Not at all. Why should it do that? When you're making a film on a true incident, you're actually just following what happened in real time, or in reality. So whatever has happened in the film is something that has happened in real life. There is nothing fictional apart from my character, but also my character is realistic in the way how media was involved, and what the media did to take this case forward when the witnesses turned hostile, and when the judgment didn't go in favor of Sabrina. So the part that the media plays in this film is through me, through my character. So it is a very, very dynamic and very strong character.
Thank you.
Thank you.
With a bang, with a boom. So he decided he will do a track which is got like a headbanger. So with the Delhi, and then for Salire is based on Ronnie's character that he plays in the film.
Something more about other songs?
Other songs are more cinematic. It's like if you see the film, you'll be able to relate to it more than in isolation. So
okay.
Hello, Rani.
Rani,
Hi,
Rani,
Rani.
one more question. Rani, hi.